Okay. Question 22. It says, I fold up this net to make a cube. I then multiply the numbers on the opposite faces to get 3 numbers. The largest of these is what? Okay, so let's do this without looking at the answers. One, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 2. Okay. 5, 3, 4. Okay. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Do you know what a net of a cube is?
A net of a cube is
So this is like folded, you see?
yeah.
So like if you fold this up, you get like a cube. What's a cube, right? A cube is like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
So like, imagine if I folded, if this was like if this was a 6 down the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So you have there's a 2 here, and there's a 1 here, yeah? See if I flatten this out, see how actually the 1 would be behind. Do you understand what I mean? Like, so if I have this, what I can do is fold this along here, yeah?
Yeah.
Then I would have like a base. This would be folded, see?
Yeah.
Like this, yeah? And if I had this another thing here, I could fold this up this way. And see, that could start off like that, right? Then it'll move so that it'll get folded. So it's touching everything now. See?
Yeah.
So this would be like the 6, the 2, and the 1. And this would be like the 6, the 1, and the 2. Yeah?
Yep.
So here, which question was this?
What do you mean?
Which question was this? Let's look.
It was the
22. Question 22. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the question is, what is the biggest number you can get from timesing the face and the opposite face? Yeah?
timesing the face and the opposite.
So if you have a cube, right? So this face here, the opposite face is on the back of the cube over here, right?
Yeah.
Like on the back. See?
Yeah.
So for example, when you fold this, right? Can you see what's opposite 1 when you fold this?
What's opposite?
So I guess it's obvious that 2 is not opposite 1, right?
Yeah.
Because 2 is next to it, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what else is not opposite 1 then?
What?
What else is not opposite 1? Hmm?
6.
No, 1's next to 6. Oh yeah, you're right. So you're saying what's not opposite 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see 2 is not opposite 1 because it's right next to it. 6 is not opposite 1 because it's right next to it, yeah?
Right.
Okay, so it has to be either 3, 5, or 4, okay? Actually, if you're looking for the biggest number, you might want to know what's opposite 6, right? Because you want bigger numbers to times together to get bigger numbers.
Yeah.
So doing 1 is fine, it's just you might get further with 6. So this is called considering the extreme examples, okay? So for 6, it's not opposite 2, it's not opposite 1, right?
Yeah.
And you see it's not opposite 5 either, because 5 is going to go next to it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, the thing is, the things that it goes next to, it can't be opposite to. But the things which are next to it are also next to the things which are opposite to it. Do you understand what I mean by that?
Mm.
See, 6 here, right, is next to this thing here. Yeah?
Yeah.
And that thing is next to the opposite thing to 6. See?
Yeah.
So actually 1 is opposite 5 because well 1 is opposite to something which is next to 2, okay? But it's not 6, and it's not this other thing that's opposite 6. So it's actually 5, okay? So can you see what's opposite 6?
Opposite 6.
Okay, just do an example. Okay, so if you fold it here, right,
Yeah.
the 2 comes up, okay, and the 1 comes up, yeah?
Opposite 6. So
I'm showing you something else now, okay? You gotta listen to what I'm telling you. So if you fold this up, the 2 comes up. You fold this up here, the 1 comes up. And then when you fold this here, the 5 touches the 6, right? Here. And the 5 is opposite the 1. Can you see that? 5 is opposite the 1.
wait.
So when you fold this here and stick this to here, this 5 comes here. Five goes here. 2 is here. Hmm? What are you thinking about?
那个不是 thinking about why one 是那个 no opposite 那个 five。
Well, do you understand this picture where it's 6, 1, 2, like that? So 2 here. So this folds here, right? And this folds there.
Yeah.
And you get 2, 1, 6 like that.
Yeah.
The 5 goes here.
Yep.
Alright?
Yep.
So can you see the 5 folds into the 6 like there? And the 2 there, see?
Yep.
So this bit touches this bit, yeah?
Yeah.
So that's this line here.
Yeah.
Okay, this bit here is this. You see that folds. So this part here touches here, yeah? This part here is this part here. You see? Hmm? Yes or no?
No.
Can you see where the 3 is?
3.
There's 3, yeah?
Yeah, so the 3 is
3 is here.
there. So, and they fold it. So 3 folds 5 and it folds with 2 and then
So that's that one now.
that folds like that and then
So 3 is here, yeah?
yeah.
See that?
Yep.
So 3. Oh, so what do you notice about 3 then?
3 is not opposite 1.
So 3 is not opposite 1, yeah?
Yeah. And not opposite 2.
But you can actually see from this picture what it is opposite to, right? What is 3 opposite to?
3 opposite 2.
What is 3 opposite to? Hmm? What is opposite 3?
Opposite 3. Opposite 3.
Can't you see on this picture?
Yeah. Opposite. So 6.
Yeah, it's 6.
Only 6. 但是那个 1 是捏那个 3 2是捏那个 3 然后 5是捏那个 3 6 is on the bottom 不是就是 opposite 那个3
Yeah, but then you gotta realize we were looking for what was opposite 6 before, yeah?
Oh, 就是 opposite 6 就是 3
Yeah, if 3 is opposite 6, if 6 is opposite 3, then 3 is opposite 6, yeah?
Yeah.
So you gotta be on the lookout for these kind of things, yeah? It's not just me telling you. So we asked that question and then we found the answer, and you gotta notice that we found the answer, okay?
Yeah.
3 is opposite 6, which is good. So what's 3 times 6?
3 times 6 is 30
3 times.
44
How do you get 30? It's not even 10 here, so you can't get more than 30.
I mean 18
18, yeah? $18. So we're looking for the biggest possible product, okay?
Yeah.
So what could be bigger than 18 using these numbers times together?
What could bigger be? 6 times 5.
No, you already used 6. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Five times 4.
Yeah, what's 5 times 4?
5 times 4 is 34.
It's 5 times 4. How do you get to 30?
I mean, wait.
You gotta think about these things. You can't just say random numbers.
20.
5 times 4 is 20, right?
Yeah.
20 is what?
20 is 20.
See, that's your problem. You don't understand what to do with the 20. It's bigger than 18, right?
Yeah.
So that means it would be the biggest. And if that's not the biggest, then 18 is the biggest, right?
Yeah.
Because the only way to get bigger than 6 times 3 is 5 times 4.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? Either 5 is opposite 4.
It's a 5.
If 5 is opposite 4, then 20 is the biggest. If 5 is not opposite 4, then 18 is the biggest. So all you have to do is determine if 5 is opposite 4 or not.
Five is opposite.
Is 5 opposite 4?
No,
Why not?
because 4 is there. Okay.
Okay, so you're saying 4.
And it's
So
right next to 5. Because they fold like this, folds like this, so it goes like that, and then they both go here, and then they go here, and then here, and then that it. So 4 is next to 5, and that is not opposite.
What is opposite 5?
What is opposite 5? 1.
Yeah, so can you see there's 2 ways to do this. You can say what is opposite 5 is 1, and that's not 4, right?
Yeah.
Or you can see that 4 is next to 5, and so it can't be opposite to 5, you know?
Yeah.
Either way, this is the biggest.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
Do you understand that?
Yep.
Yeah, so there's actually a faster way to do this. You know how to do this fast?
Yeah. How?
You can cut this out on the piece of paper and then fold it to make a cube. And then you can kind of see what's opposite what really quickly. Okay?
Okay.
But that's like an experiment. That's a special. It's a different kind of way of thinking. All right.